Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to this presentation. A honor to meet you here. Okay, I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all in here. Situation. I want to present my observation. The title is Characterization of Trichomes in Abaxial Epidermal Preparation of Hibiscus tiliaceus by me from the PBIO. Next. Okay, the first slide is competing interest with Hibiscus tiliaceus. What is Hibiscus tiliaceus? A Hibiscus tiliaceus is a plant in the Malvae family, which is native to the coast. And Hibiscus tiliaceus is a cosmopolitan plant. Cosmopolitan plants, which cosmopolitan means is with a wide distribution area. Trichomes characterization test on the abaxial epidermis preparation of hibiscus leaves to determine the type and shape of trichomes. Next. For the introduction, we talk about Malvaceae types of trichomes. Hibiscus is one of the Malvaceae family, and Malvaceae types of trichomes have conical unicellular, four-capited plants, flat-set trichomes, spelled-up scalp, and stellate pubescent. And then we talk about trichomes function. Trichomes function. Plants of the Malvaceae tribes, like hibiscus, has a trichomes which has function to expand our epidermis function and prevent excessive evaporation. And then the anatomical characters. We in this observation include the shape of trichomes and the type of trichomes. And this observation aims is determine the character of trichomes on the abaxial epidermis of hibiscus. Next. Next, the objective. First, in the 1994, Mark et al. Their study states that trichomes are one of the specialized epidermal cells and ultimately have their own function. And in the 2003, Utami said that trichomes consist of various shapes or structures, size, and different function. And then 2004, Secho et al. Say trichomes' function is to protect themselves from outside interference and reduce evaporation. And the last study before and in the last study 2005 big, say, trichome cells are formed for one cell or many cells. Some of the trichomes are glandular and aglandular. Next. Okay, method. In this observation took place in the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Malang State University, Building D11, Plant Anatomy Lab. The tools that we need in this observation, we need cutter, microscope, object glass, a set of preparation tools like object glass, tweezers, detail glass petrified needle, and others. And the materials we need in this observation is hibiscus leaves and aquaget. And the procedure we took in this preparation. First, we have the preparation of tools and materials, and then sample preparation of trichomes. We use a baxial part of hibiscus leaves. And the third, characterization test. We test the shape and type of trichomes. And the last is data analysis. Next. And the result in this observation has a result the type of trichomes and the shape of trichomes. Hibiscus tiliaceus have the type of trichomes is a glandular multicellular, and the shape is stellate, coming from stellar. Next, move to the discussion. We talk about a glandular trichomes. What is a glandular trichomes? A glandular trichomes, which on the hibiscus leaves, glandular, which means that the trichomes do not have secretory function and generally provide protection to plants against biotic and abiotic disturbance. And multicellular trichomes. Hibiscus also has multicellular trichomes. It is a trichomes composed of several stem cells. Okay, it is present on the screen, the hibiscus trichomes. It has the shape stellate trichomes. Stellate trichomes is a single pointed point at the center, and branch trichomes that gives a star-like shape. It has a branch like this, so it makes the trichomes shape like stars. And the trichomes spread along the surface of leaves. And the number of stellar trichomes, the branch, is it has a variety of shapes. In this observation, it was found the number of stellar trichomes stem cell range from 4 until 8 stem cells. Next. Okay, thank you. This is the last slide. Which if anyone has a question, we had a quote to define begins with honesty, ask the question, comes from collaboration, and from trusting your intuition. So question session is open. Okay, anybody want to ask?
Okay. I think I have a question for this presentation. So let tell me the plant have which trichoma same as the Hibiscus tiliaceus.
The plant has, okay. Okay, can you write your question on the textbook? Anissa Zahra.
Great. Great. Maybe you can tell me the plan. Uh, yeah. Uh, the position of trichoma in the plant of durian.
Okay, let me answer the question. I'm sorry. The screen move back. Yang risau. Okay. Okay, let me answer and explain the question. The plants which have a trichome, like hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus leaves has the type of trichomes a glandular multicellular. There is so many plants which have a glandular multicellular trichomes, but if we want to has a specification of the shape of trichome, hibiscus has stellate and the other plant has stellate trichomes like hibiscus is Durio zibethinus or called durian. Durian also has stellate trichomes and the position of trichomes in Durio is on the abaxial epidermis like hibiscus. So that's my answer. Maybe it can help Anita Zahra. I'm sorry for uncomplicated answer. Okay, maybe I'm open the one question only. Thank you. Thank you everyone has come. I'm sorry for my fault. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Fatimah.